Hey everyone, welcome back to Mech Tech Bro. Before you dive into JavaScript for beginners part 3, make sure you have already watched part 1 and part 2 to build a strong foundation. Now let's continue our JavaScript journey and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Mech Tech Bro for more tech tutorials. Today topic is about data types. Data type means it actually defines the kind of value a variable can hold and what operations can be performed on that particular value. Okay? In simple terms, let me explain you in simple terms that a data type tells the JavaScript what kind of data you are working with. For example, text, number, true or false values or objects. Okay? True or false values are nothing but boolean. Okay? Keep that in mind. Okay, you don't worry, I will explain you properly in Visual Studio Code step by step. Let's go with the strings first. String is used to store text, anything inside the quotes, single quote or double quote or backticks. Let me show you here. Let a second. Let name, I'm providing the double quotes here. Okay, I provided that name as Mech Tech Bro. And let me provide the info also. Let info equal to, now I am providing the, see clearly, I am not providing the quotes, I am providing the backtick. Okay, inside this backtick I am providing, one second, welcome to, I am providing the dollar sign here. Don't worry, I will explain you what is the use of backtick and dollar sign. Let's provide name, okay. Now I want to print this in browser. Okay, console.log. I'm providing the name. Okay, now let me run this code. You guys can see here. One second, let me open with the live server first. Go to right click, inspect, go to console. You guys can see here Mech Tech Bro. Okay, so let me show you one more thing. Console.log, info. Okay, now let me run this code. Go here, welcome to Mech Tech Bro YouTube channel. Okay, I used backticks for template strings. Okay, that includes the variables easily, that's why. Okay, and you might get one more doubt, that is what is the use of dollar sign. Dollar sign is nothing but it's a valid identifier character in JavaScript. Okay, it's commonly used as a variable name. Keep that in mind. You might get a doubt, what kind of data type is it? Let me show you here. Console.log, use the type of. Okay, type of means nothing but it will shows the what kind of data type is it. Okay, you type of. Now provide the variable name, that is name. Okay, one second. It's a string. Okay, don't provide the space in between type and of. Just combine it. It's a string. Let me see info also. Console.log type of info. Okay, let me run this code. Now check here, it is also a string. I hope you guys understand what is string. Let's go to next data type. Now next data type I am taking number. That number actually represents the both integer and decimal values in a JavaScript. Okay, keep that in mind. Let me show you here. Let age is equal to 25. Okay, you can take a random age, it doesn't matter. Let price equal to 45.67. okay, I'm taking the decimals. Okay, and console.log take age. Okay, run this particular code and check here 25. Okay, I want to find what kind of data type is it. Okay, console.log, 1 second. Console.log use type of for finding out the data types. Use the type of. Okay, type of age. Run this and check here, it's a number. You might get a doubt what type of data type is for price. Okay, so let me show you here. Console.log type of price. Okay, let me run this code. You can check here, it's a number. Still I provided the decimals point, so it's showing me the number. Okay, you guys might get it out because in price we are using 45.67. it's a decimals, right? We are using taking the decimals also. So why it's showing me the number? See here, JavaScript doesn't have separate type of integers or decimals. Both are considered as number only. Keep that in mind. Let's go to Boolean now. Boolean has a two values, true or false. It mainly used in conditions or comparisons. Keep that in mind. Okay. So let me show you here. Let is logged in. 1 second. Let is logged in. I'm showing true value. Okay. True. Let is student. I'm providing the false value. Let result ten greater than 5. Okay. Now let me show you here in the browser. Console.log is logged in. Let me run this code. You guys can check here, it's true. Okay, I provided is logged in as true. Okay, now let me show you eStudent also. Console.log eStudent. Okay, let me run this code. You can check here, false. And console.log result. Ten is greater than 5, right? Obviously it will show the true value. Okay, so you want to find out what kind of data type is it. For finding out data type, same thing, you have to use it again, console.log type of result. Okay, now run this code, check here, boolean. Okay, let me tell you, boolean help us to make decisions in a program. For example, checking if a user is logged in or if a number is greater than another. Okay, for that purpose we will use that boolean. Okay, now let's get into the object. An object is a collection of key value pairs. It is used to store multiple related values together. Okay, keep that in mind. Let me show you here. Let name equal to, let channel, let me take the channel as channel variable name and equal to Mech Tech Bro. No, not Mech Tech Bro. One second. Inside this channel, I am taking 3 collection of pairs. Okay, keep that in mind. So name, first I am taking the name. I am taking Mech. Okay, Tech Bro. And another value I am taking, another key I am taking as let's take age as 26. Okay, you can take the random age, it doesn't matter. And next one I am taking is student. Okay, is student, bringing true. Okay, now print this console.log channel. Okay, now run this code. One second, I haven't provided commas here. Okay, now run this code. Now you guys can check here. Name I have taken Mech Tech Bro, age is 26 and eStudent is true. Okay, true. Let me show you only the name. I don't want age and eStudent. Okay, so for that let me show you here console.log channel.name. channel dot name. Okay, run this code and check here. Mech Tech Bro. I didn't get the 26 age and I is student. Okay, and now I want to find out what type of data type is it. For finding out data type, as it is same thing, type of. Use the type of thing. To use the type of, one second, console.log and type of one second, type of channel. Okay, now run this code, check here, it's an object. See, objects are like real world things. A person has a name, age, and student status or anything. We use curly brackets to define an object and use that key to store value. Okay, keep that in mind. I hope you understand what is the object here. Let's go to another data type, which is undefined. Let me erase this. Let's get into undefined data type. Undefined means a variable has been declared but not yet assigned any value. Keep that in mind. Let me show you here. Let ct. Okay, I just given the variable name. I haven't assigned any value for this. So, and console.log ct. Run this code. Check here, undefined. Okay, now you guys can type console.log. You want to find the data type also. Data type is nothing but it's a undefined. See here, console.log type of. Use type of for finding out the data type. You have to use the type of city. Now run this code. Check here, undefined. Let me explain you in short term what is undefined. See here, I took city here. City is nothing but it's a variable, but I haven't provided value for this particular variable. So JavaScript automatically takes it as undefined. I hope you guys understand what is undefined. If you enjoyed the content in today's video, please like, share and subscribe. It motivates me to create more videos. Thank you.